Hey loves! Again, this is Levoutique channel and thank you for watching. So today I'm just going to make a quick video of this bag, which is the Louis Vuitton Mahina Girolata and Galet color. I think that's how they pronounce it. But I think it's like more of a taupe color. Mahina, for me, it's actually one of the most expensive bag that Louis Vuitton has. It's because it's just, you know, their collection starts at around $3,000 and up. For this particular one, I think it's around $3,900 in store. So plus tax, it's gonna easily cost you around $4,000 something. And Mahina collection is actually known for its perforation on the leather. So it's like a laser cut, if you notice, right? It's really nice. And then the inside of the bag is like a velvet, you know. And honestly, when I first saw this bag, I thought, okay, that is big, because I'm really into small bags and I think it's gonna be really heavy. But honestly, when I tried you know, holding it, carrying it, I was like, okay, this is a light bag for this kind of leather. And I kind of you know, I find that imprint leather is actually a little heavier than this one, honestly. But yeah, so this bag is very beautiful. It has this strap, you know, for you to close it right here. It doesn't have anything, no zipper, no magnetic closure. And also, by the way, this bag comes with a pouch. It's like the ones for the Neverfull, but this is, you know, all leather, and it's really soft and supple. Like, it's really nice. Like if you're just going for an evening dinner or something, just, or you know, if you just wanted to go out and buy something quick, you could just go ahead and bring this and then put all your money in there, your credit cards, you know, your daily essentials. It can actually fit inside. So hold on, let's see. So yeah, so if you can see, like the perforation on the leather actually goes all through the inside of the bag. And it's the same color kind of the outside. It blends, because before I saw the same of the bag, which I had on my other video, to actually ask you guys what you think about that bag. Is it authentic or not? Because the inside of the bag is dark brown, so that's a flag, you know, for me. But it's a really good replica. Anyway, this bag comes with a strap, which is only good for a shoulder. You can't really do it crossbody, but it's still fine. And it has these handles right here too. So I'm just gonna show you a quick also turn around of this bag, and I'm gonna wear it to see how it looks on me, or how big it looks on me, since I'm 5'2" in height. Also has metal feet on the bottom, I forgot to mention. So yep, here you go. So if I'm gonna wear it like this, 5'2" in height, remember, that's how it looks. So this bag is really spacious. It can fit your laptop in here, MacBook Pro, Air, tablet, everything. And I think this bag is perfect if you work in the office, or you know, like corporates or anything like that, because it's really spacious and you can put a lot of stuff in here. So if you're gonna wear it with the handle, here you go. Sorry. It's really nice bag, and I'm telling you, it's lightweight. But yeah, so there you go.